Good everyone, we have now a Python tutorial. In this line, x equals y equals z equals 100. We're giving the value 100 to x, y, and z at the same time. Python reads in if from right to left. First, it sets z equals 100, then y equals z, then x equals all of them become 100. Thank you for watching, and I hope you understand my Python tutorials.